Here's the Tropicana from the 12th floor of the towers at Luxor. See the other tower right here. You can see all the way through it now into the MGM. You're supposed to implode these in October. You can see everything's pretty cleaned out. Looks like they're just digging out some concrete footings. I'm not sure what this section right there was, but that connects to where the casino was right here. Our driver told us the other day that when they were taking these down, they were taking everything out and just piling it down there on the ground, and they were letting people pay $100 to haul out a truckload of recycled material. He had I think he said it was his brother-in-law or somebody had made a grip of money just getting all the copper. So it looks like they've pretty much cleaned all that out, because I only see that right, let's see, it's right there is about the only pile of scrap that I can see from here that's left. And I've seen a few big trucks that they've been loading up with junk, hauling out. Got a big pile of concrete there. They'll probably grind that up. Here's the Tropicana from the street view. The sun coming up behind what's left of it. You see the locals have provided some artwork on the fence there. A couple buildings still intact right there. I think that was the showroom. And then the front tower, the sign actually still lights up at night. I'm gonna get down here on the overpass, see if we can get a better view, so stand by. Just guessing that the MJ Live and the Purple Rain tribute are not performing nightly here right now, or pretty much ever again. So that's about as close as you can get. Right here, you can't get across the walkway anymore to get into there. You see they missed a few windows up there. Here's another view from the sky bridge between Excalibur and New York, New York.